Are you looking for the best drywall stilts in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best drywall stilts that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, GypTool Pro 15-23 Drywall Stilts. We will start this list with a multi-functional product in the form of this GypTool stilt. It is an exciting option for installing drywall and completing the painting job. Both professional contractor and hobbyist can use this product for having excellent results. The adjustable construction of this product makes sure the users can handle tons of jobs efficiently. Its weight limit is approximately 225 pounds that are wonderful considering its price. At number 4, Town Skywalker Drywall Stilts, best long-lasting pick. If you can compromise with the comfort level and want a product for residential purpose, then you can go for this one. It is a high-grade stilt that will last for many years to come. The addition of locking toe strap make the fitting better when compared with other products available in the market. On top of that, you can enjoy a natural walking motion with its adjustable ankle spring. Furthermore, awesome traction offered by its rubber sole to the feet. At number 3, Pentagon Tool 1152 Drywall Stilts. Thanks to its longevity and durability, this product needs to be the part of this list in every manner. It recommended for both professional as well as personal use. It designed for supporting up to 228 pounds quite easily. This pair of high-quality stilt manufactured from magnesium that makes the adjustment very easier. Moreover, the professionals can use it for both installing drywall and painting it wonderfully. At number 2, GypTool 48-64 Drywall Stilts, best for higher heights. The chance of missing the name of this model by GypTool brand in the list of best drywall stilts is an impossible task. It allows you to choose plenty of different heights like 48, 52, 56, 60, and 64 inches. On top of that, this product has a capacity of 230 pounds that is brilliant for sure. It is created using lightweight aluminum that allows the product to weigh below 28 pounds. You don't need any tool for adjusting the height of this tool in any manner. At number 1, Pentagon Tool 1119. Are you a taller guy and looking for an exceptional product according to your height? If yes, then you can buy this product that can be adjusted from heights of 24 inches to 40 inches quite effectively. The manufacturer has added plenty of other features for the comfort of users. It includes rubber soles, foot straps, self-locking metal buckles, and adjustable heel plates. Also, you don't have to spend too much money on buying this equipment at all. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.